Just reminding. So in today's lab, you have the lab internal one. Okay. So in the last class, many of the students have faced issues whether what to install. Okay, Eclipse IDE or Eclipse Kepler. So I will just show you the link. Okay. So just cross check from your side also. Share the home page. So download this one. Java Eclipse Kepler. Let me share the link in the chat box also. And this you have to be installed, and OJDBC and JDBC jar files. Again, I will mention here in the chat box. Nalini, have you downloaded the same in the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
An Eclipse for Java developers, no ma'am.
this is the last concept in the third module. Okay, we'll start the fourth module in the next class. JDBC jar.
After installing the IDE, what should we do?
What, no?
After installing the Eclipse, what should we do?
Yeah, run it. Have you downloaded JDBC jar file and OJDBC 14 jar files?
No, ma'am.
Okay, get it download those ones. In the chat box, I just now send the links to download JDBC and OJDBC footage jar files. And meanwhile, I will show you the output of the program which we have done in the last class. Okay.
Ma'am,
Haan, Saran. Tell me.
ma'am, the drive is locked, ma'am.
Log in with your Geeta mail ID.
Geetam only, ma'am, I'm using. You need to open the drive to everyone.
Have you installed the Eclipse?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay, I'll provide you the links.
Ma'am, it still says request access.
Okay. Go with this link.
Come again, ma'am?
See, I sent one recently one link, right? So just go with this link, and it will ask you to sign in. So you have to create the account again.
Ma'am, can I share my screen once?
Wait. I sent the link just now. I'll share the my. Teaching this kind of things is difficult virtually.
Ma'am, this is MySQL, no, ma'am.
Wait. Huh?
We need to download MySQL also.
No. Here somewhere. Go with this link. $51, have you downloaded with that link? So I sent the link, right? docs.microsoft.com/. If you use this link, then again we have to create the account. Then we have to do the sign in. Okay, then we can see here. Then you can see I logged in with my account. So I can see here, download Microsoft JDBC driver.
Ma'am, go to settings over there on top. Get link pack now. There only, ma'am. Ma'am, that only you have to
See,
enable
we
that.
have already had the link, right? So I given with the for Geetam deemed to be university. So any one of in this group can just log in with your Geetam mail ID and can download with this link.
No, ma'am, you have to enable in the settings thing. People in Geetam team can. That's all, ma'am.
Wait a minute. So I'll give the viewer.
Viewer, yes, ma'am.
Don't know whether it works or not. Because as this is the Microsoft file, I don't know. Let me stop sharing this. I think one more file I have to send. One more file link. Let me know.
No, ma'am, that file drive link didn't work, ma'am.
Okay. Just now I sent to you now. Is it working?
No, ma'am. It's still asking for access.
That is what. Okay, not a problem. Only this file only you can be able to edit now. Then you try with this link.
Mom, I got the file, mom.
Now can you able to download it?
Yeah, mom, I'll put it on the class group.
Which one?
CSC 11 or DBMS class group.
No, no. Which link is working now? Tell me.
This one only, the recent one, the
The
one,
rec-
no, the one you sent before, like the one after MySQL download.
Okay. And one more file I have to send, right? Just check it once. Is this for JDBC or OJDBC 14 jar file?
1 minute.
JDBC
Ma'am,
it
this
is.
is also JDBC, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
now I have
Same
to
file.
Yeah, same file. And so these are the last two which I sent for the two files link JDBC and OJDBC 14 jar files. I think it will work. Check it once, Karan.
Ma'am, both of these are different files or same file?
Different one, different one.
Okay, ma'am.
First one is JDBC and the second one is OJDBC 14. Okay.
Ma'am,
Manish Chappani.
ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, this Kepler SR2 is there now, Eclipse packages. You have to download for Java and DSL only, no, ma'am?
Ah,
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, after that, we got to download this JDBC bar, ma'am.
mm.
Okay, ma'am, and regarding my run SQL command line, so me and my friend, we tried last night, ma'am. We tried to alter the user also, but still it says the account is locked, ma'am.
Okay. I may send the link, Manish.
No, ma'am, you told you'll send the drive link.
You have to remind me, na? Okay, then wait a minute. I'll do now only.
Okay, ma'am, I'll just text you.
Okay, I'll do it. Otherwise, I'll. So this is the Eclipse. And in the last class, we have written already the program. And we have created the project called CS11. In that, again, we have created one source file, that is CS11 JDBC ODBC class file. Okay. So after we have created the class file, immediately the text editor here we can see. So in this, we have to write the code. Okay. And then you just check the details, okay, of your backend, of your database username and password. See, this is my username and this is my password. And the rest of the things are same for all. Okay. And see here, this is the package name. So with what project, okay, you have created. So with that project name, we had here package, the project name. And then we have to import SQL. Okay, SQL package also. So this automatically will get here in the text editor, this one. And within that, we have to write public static void main PSVM string. And within this, we have to write the code using the try block. Okay, and then finally, if we use the try block, okay, use the catch block also. If there was any exception, we have to know what the exception it is. And yes, so I am selecting the records from student grouping. Okay, and let me share even my database. Okay, and stop sharing this. So this is my student grouping table in my database. So it has the 3 attributes, SID, SNAME, SMART. So it has 6 records. So just cross check once. Okay, even the values, if you want, you just remember and just cross check whether you are getting the same records from this table or not. Okay. Yes. After you have written the code, okay, this one, and as it consists of 3 attributes, I want to display all the 3 attribute values also. So that is what I have given here. I have just used the result set object 3 times, and using that I just called the first attribute as it is of integer type. So I kept here get integer, and the second one is name. Okay, so it is get string. And the third one is a marks, I think. So again, I kept here get int. If you want to display only the 2 attributes from that table, then you just end here. Okay, no need to again take the third attribute also. So this is what how to display the records. So after you have written the code, then you have to go with the project, and then there you just click here, run as. So Java application. Here it will ask me which application you are going to run. So I will click this one because as this is my project CS11 JDBC and this is my class file. So these are the 6 records I can get. Remember one more thing, because you are downloading jar files, right? You have to link up that jar files also. So for that, after you have written the code, just before executing, before run the program, okay, go with the build path. Can you able to see the build path here? Yes. So from the build path, click on configure build path. Okay, and here you have to click add external jar file. I have already after I click here add external jar file, I can see ODBC. I have to go with the path OJDBC 14. It's already there, so that's what again I'm not selecting anything, but I'll just to show you. See, I'll get like this. We have to browse the file. So then I will start. Yes, I'll just click on the OJDBC 14 and then I will open. So if I open like this, then I can see here OJDBC 14. So it will be linked. Okay. So after it was over, then you just try to run the project. You can see the output. See, this is the sample program. Uh, it takes too much of time also. That is what even uh, still no other sections have. I think that concerned faculty also haven't teach this. Instead of teaching this concept, if I start the fourth module also, I can finish half of the syllabus. But anyhow, time is there, right? So you have to just learn, even if you haven't completed this task, at least you have to know the knowledge of what the resources that we have to execute. Okay, and see, JDBC, like Java has this much of procedure, but if you try with PHP, only the 2 lines of code is sufficient to run the application. Did you know that? Anybody knows about PHP? No need of downloading this many files and all. Okay, and that is the open source language, PHP. Just 2 lines of syntax is there. But as this concept is given in our syllabus, just I tried to connect with the database from the Java application. Again, I'm telling you the steps. At first, you have to create the project and then the source file, and then the class file. Okay, and then create the build path. Then finally run the application. Okay, after, in between, after you have created the class file, okay, just put the code. Whatever in the PPT, say, I think I have already uploaded the PPT also. You can cross check your code. If you want, I will just copy this code and I'll put this in the chat box if you want. Students, many of the faculty are just giving me the complaints. Your sectional students are not joining on time. So like that, they are giving complaint to me. So I don't know what should I do. I just ask them, okay, those who are just joining late, you just note down their numbers, ma'am, and take the action what you want. I just said them because I cannot just request them to just allow you all. Okay, because it's their wish. But finally, if they say if they have to send the marks to me, final marks. So at that time, I'm unable to like even question them also why you have posted this many marks because they have just all the proofs, your attendance, your performance, your work. So that is what I am saying. Don't do like this. Just for the classes, attend on time. Saran, have you downloaded JDBC and OJDBC jar files also?
Yes,
Both?
ma'am, I have.
Okay.
Ma'am, you sent a link for MySQL. Do we have to download that?
Which one?
You sent a MySQL download link also
No.
in the chat box.
Skill link.
Yeah, ma'am.
No. Don't go with it.
Okay, ma'am.
Even in theory subject also, they will not question you how to execute this OJDBC. Okay, but this is the concept you have to learn. Otherwise, you cannot even link up the database with the front end. For knowledge purpose, I just told about this concept. See, don't go much in theory. Even if you just if you learn somewhat theory also, just you try to handle that one in practical way. Everything, whatever the subject it is. If you have done in practical, then you can elaborate that in your own words also. Okay, don't by heart the theory. That is my suggestion. If you write the syntax, okay, within a single line, if it was correct, then you will get half of the marks there itself. But instead of writing the syntax, if you wrote some 2 to 4 pages, that is not useful. You will not get a single mark also. See, still your seniors, they'll just they'll give the updates also if they have faced any of the interviews and all. In all the interviews, they'll be get questioned on the DBMs, on this subject. Now they're just asking me, ma'am, what are the important concepts? Can you repeat once? Then in a single day, they'll just preparing for this syllabus, preparing this DBMS syllabus. Okay, and on this within the single night, they're just going to give the interviews. I don't know how it is possible. No, if you have executed it, then you can know, okay, what to say. They'll just ask you to write the syntax. They'll not even bother about your definition and all. No. And even most of the questions from the programming languages will be on DS, data structures. They'll ask you to write the code, stacks, queues, linked list. And searching, sorting, all these are very much important. And they'll not even question you on write the code in this programming language or that. No, not like that. If you are good at one programming language, that is enough. But you have to learn as well the backend language also. That is SQL. So this is what about JDBC, ODBC. You, if anybody have done, it's okay. Otherwise, you just learn how to implement this. That's it. So at 11 o'clock, you have the internal. Okay, join through the GLearn link only. And I have already uploaded the assignment link in the DBMS lab. And you have to upload the work, what you have done. Okay, what you will do in that lab period, you have to upload it by 11. Sorry, okay. You have to upload it by 1, I think. So I will just give you the questions. You have to note down and you have to start implementing. For the batches wise, I'll just give you the sets. Any doubts, students? I'll end the session now.
Excuse me,
Sarath, tell me.
lab internal for section K, that's the portal, no ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.